Another nice little database for English teachers to use, particularly if they're teaming up with social studies or if they're talking about current events or writing about persuasive topics and you want to incorporate some of this, would be AP Images. Now, AP Images isn't a terribly robust database, but it's quick and it can get you what you need very easily. Most of the time you'll look at AP Images or access it from your school's website, from your school's Media Center page. But right now we're going to use the Heartland page, and if you click on AP Images, it opens up what looks like an EBSCO host. That's because AP Images is housed with that. So we're just going to type in our username and password, which will bring us to the AP Images homepage. Now, things to keep in mind about AP Images is it will offer you what's current right off the bat, but I like to use the advanced search feature because it offers so much more as far as tailoring your research. You can look for keywords, you can look for specific people, you can pick your times or your sources. Over here, these are the different types of medium that they offer: media, photos, historical or current. There are sound banks that have recordings, historical recordings, and all these other different features. So I'm going to say perhaps that I want to look at an inauguration, and I want it to be of Barack Obama. Now, if I just put Barack Obama, I would get over 1,600 images. But I'm going to do this search and see how many I come up with. Give it a little bit of time to access, and you can see it brought it down to 29, from over 1,600 to 29. So students could use these or write about these if they wanted to. And they can use these features. Let's say I want to use this one, and I want to use this one, and this is a nice one of the swearing in, a close-up. So I can use those to select the ones that I want, and I can download them all. I can download individuals at a time. I can take a look at the settings and the background information of something and what's available. Here's the view detail. Lets you see pictures and information about those pictures. Or I can just save it. I'm going to go back to my search and show you one other thing really quickly. And I'm going to look for an audio this time. And I want it to be of a Kennedy speech. And I think I'm going to just pick the sound bank and see what we come up with. Because if I don't pick the sound bank, I'll get Kennedy speech and get pictures and everything. I still have a lot, so I'd probably want to narrow down more. But I just want to give you an example of how those speeches sound like on here. This gives you the information.
Ask not.
And here's the actual recording.
Ask what you can do for your country.
This gives you detailed information about when it happened. Some of them are longer, some of them are shorter. You can click on the next button here to keep going. But that's a quick overview of how to use AP Images to access photographs, historical documents, and audio sound bites.